Oo, tinapon naman sa basurahan. Mabuti pa yung pusa, marunong mag-iina.
Oo nga, tama ka dyan. May iba tayo ng usapan. Bakit hindi na lang sinasirang pumunta sa apartment mo? Mahirap din naman yung ginagawa mo, di ko pang pumupunta sa kanya.
Ay, ano ko naluloko? Di binigyan ko pa ng pag-chismisan yung mga kapitbahay ko. Di na, no?
Sa bagay, hindi mo naman kakilala yung mga neighborhood ni Nassan, kaya sa project, di ba?
Oo, mas mabuti pa yun. Tsaka mabuti din yun. Walang hassle. Paano kung di kami magkatuluyan?
Huwag mo sabing ihahanda mo yung sarili mo sa pag-isip mo.
Di naman. Masasabi ko lang yun, no? Kasi, alam naman dayuhan yung tao.
Ikaw,
Okay, bago mag-project, sir?
Wala, madami nga akong tinatype eh.
Nandiyan ba si sir?
Nandiyan.
Sa baba.
Ako hindi kailangan na sabit niya ata.
Ay, di ko. Lagay si sir. Sige, tapusin ko muna ito.
Sige, magta-type na rin muna ako dito.
Bago na ako.
Sige, bye-bye.
Bye. Hello?
Hello?
Oo nga, sir.
What? Have a problem?
Yep. I'm pregnant.
What? I told you to be careful every time you have sex.
Don't blame me. It's not my fault. You know, I did my best to avoid this kind of situation.
So that's it. Either you go on with it and be alone, or have it aborted and tuloy ang ligaya.
What? You want to abort this child?
Yes! That's our only option. We both know that we're not ready yet and we're both enjoying our time with each other. Having the child will just be a hinder to our happiness.
Let me think about first, okay? It's too late at night. I'm having work tomorrow. Good night.
Okay, just think very carefully what your decision will be. Good night too. Bye.
O ano, pala mo, naiinab ka sa Iranian kaya ganyan. Tignan mo sa sarili mo, magiging dalaga kang ina. Ay, hindi ko naman sinasadya mainab sa Iranian eh. Hindi sinasadya. Inab to, para ka tanga. Malay ko bang hindi siya seryoso? Gusto mo matulad sa bala na dun na balita ka na, Aida, sa opisina niyo? Siyempre, ayoko no. Ano gagawin mo ngayon? Papalaglag mo na naman. Papalaglag niya yan. Ako si Bernardo Carpio na nag-uumpugan sa dalawang malaking bato. Magdiskusyon ka na, Lucing. Paano na bukas? Sabi na na. Hello?
Yeah, good morning. So, what's your decision?
Okay, I'll bend your decision.
Oh, Lucy, I can kiss you right now. When do you want it done?
Just give me a notice.
Don't worry, I'll arrange that. Take care now. Very soon our worries are over. I'll give you a call as soon as I fix a date for you. Okay?
Okay. Hello?
Good morning, Lucy. We're available this afternoon. The operation will be done in my house here in Pratique.
Sige.
So, that's it. See you then.
Yes.
Someone will pick you up, okay?
Yes. Bye. Elay! Elay! Sige, pasok ka. Ano po yun, ate? Pakiabangan nga yung sasakyan mamaya. Susundin kasi ako nun. Sige pa. Salamat. Pag-break ko nga. Pasok.
Ate, dito na po yung sasakyan.
Sige.
Ano kayo kay ate? Hindi ko alam. Ano po nga sabi ko kapag may tumahan sa ito? Sabi niya, kakada ko yung pagkakas. Sige po, hapon po ate.
Sige po, ate. Saan? Wala.
You may wait in the room. The doctor may come any moment now. Oh, stop, come on. Ada baca buka ni. Here, drink. Something lah. Lihat, tidak. Sit down.
Udah habis banget, jadi nama.
Nanti mak kita baca cepat. Cek ada berani. Baduni. Sing. Just what do you mean by standing and staying there? You don't feel alright?
I don't feel alright.
I told you to wait in the room. The doctor will come any moment now.
I don't need any
I told you to wait in the room. I'm not a patient.
I need this you. What is girl doing here?
It's none of your business. Stupid. You're embarrassing me. Have some guests.
You better do as he says. We cannot answer any harm he can do to you.
Ay, babae. Nakita mo naman kung walang yan ang mga yan. Kung ako sa'yo, lumayas ka na rito at huwag mo lang bagay kahit kung ako ako lang ang gulatan. You Iranian! What are you doing here in the Philippines?
You ask why Iranians came here for? Simple. The women and the beer are very cheap. Very, very cheap!
That is for a hyper-animation toward us. I will see to it that you realize that.